that plagues teams when they win a set or two against a high-quality opponent. They have seemed to relax. They have seemed to let their guard down. And this is what happens as Ateneo puts up a 5-point lead, 16-11 here in set number 3, courtesy of Ella De Jesus and the great play of Valdez as well. Pero it's still not over. We've seen Adamson overhaul much bigger deficits than this. But the big question is, can Ateneo maintain that high level of play? Something that has, you know, been questionable this entire match. Ano, palagi na lang. There are times they are good, but there are times that they seem to not even be present during the game.
Like this play here from the technical timeout. Zapanta able to score, hitting it off the block. Let's see Ateneo, they gotta keep the pressure on.
What a stretch para kay Valdez that time. Reached for that ball and was still able to find the great angle for the point. 17 serving 12. A spectacular jump serve by Gervasio.
Ganda naman yung serve. The Gervasio, that jump serve of hers has really become a more consistent one.
Number 6, Angeline Gervasio.
18-12. Set 3. Better reception. Let's see what happens. Zapanta finds the mark. Pao Soriano steps out. Guevara will check back in as you take a look at that shot by Zapanta, who's been on and off itong set 3. Let's see if she can finally get her rhythm here, because Adamson badly needs somebody to step up and lead this team here in set number 3. Cortel.
Nice dump.
But a great dig by Ferrer. And look at Valdez again, take over and score.
Lisa Valdez is scoring in the points. Halos lahat ng iset kay Alisa ngayon, you know, she converted.
Gretchen Ho got a little excited.
Parang hindi pa MMDA lang yan, ano? Yung hindi ka pa gumugo. Nauna ka na. Pumito tuloy itong ating dalawang referees.
6-point lead para sa Ateneo. Set 3. Another poor reception from Pisa.
Naku naman.
Lucky break for Cortel. Well, they need all the breaks they can get here. They're really struggling in set number 3. Very unlike the Lady Falcons we saw in set 2 and set 1.
I guarantee you, I'm going to give her 10 more chances like that to hit it. She won't be able to do it that same way.
Ferrer to Tejada. Here's Pineda on the attack. Ferrer. Free ball for Adamson.
That's
Pineda.
the set. That's the set.
And that's the result. Spoken like a true setter. Lokiyen.
That's the set that she wants, no? Yung tama yung distansya sa net. Look at that. Once she gets the set, the right set, almost always, siguradong kaya niyang i-convert. Just like this girl.
Valdez. Wow. Where would Ateneo be without Valdez in this game? Baka nakauwi ka na sa bahay. And Adamson already starting their celebration. But Valdez has really been the lady carrying the cudgels para sa Ateneo here this afternoon. De Jesus also putting in the effort. And Ateneo 21-15 with this point by De Jesus. Let's go to the huddle of Adamson.
Kaya pa yan. Kaso hindi natin mahabol yan pagka puro mali yung nagawa natin. Ha? Opensa, block. Hindi ka nag-ano dyan. Kumain ka sa opensa. Ha? 6 lang yan. kasi ito. Tara, patay. Isa lang yan.
Sheila Pineda right there. It happens to be her birthday tomorrow. Advance happy birthday to Sheila Pineda.
And what a perfect gift this would be if they pull off a win against Ateneo, whether it's 3 sets or 5 sets. But obviously, Ateneo clearly have other plans as they lead 21-15. Pero tulad nga ng sabi ni Coach Meneses, 6 lang yan. And they've been through worse. In this match alone, they were down by as much as 8 in set number 1 and still came out the winner. Pineda is blocked. That goes too far away from any Lady Falcon, and now it's a 7-point Ateneo advantage.
Right, the attack of Adamson becoming a bit predictable for the Ateneo blockers. Pineda, of course, a marked lady right now. Nice serve.
And De Jesus just lets that go. It was over-received and out of bounds from Zapanta.
Ganda ng serve. Lisa with a perfect serve. She gets rewarded with an ace.
Now, this is a full-on 8-point advantage para sa Ateneo. 23 serving 15. Another over reception by Zapanta. 2 in a row for her. And that puts Ateneo at set point in set number 3 to keep their hopes alive of a win here today.
After the timeout of Coach Meneses, kung Adamson just gave away 2 poor receptions. Ang ganda ng serve talaga.
Pineda. Wow, that was just an off-speed. Pineda still able to score a point. But a mountain of a deficit to overhaul here in set number 3. 16 serving 24. Still 8 set points para sa Ateneo after Adamson saving 1. Jesus.
A speed dug up by Zapanta.
Pineda. Nice dig by Valdez. Jesus again.
Yan ang gusto niya.
Yun ang resulta. Ulit. As another
birthday girl.
set point is saved, but 7 more para sa Ateneo. Nothing short of a miracle. That will Adamson will need to use to come back into this set.
Good serve, yeah.
Valdez from the back row, just a push. Pineda again. Oh wow! Where was all that during the tighter stages of set number 3? You want to ask yourself.
The birthday girl with this attack, avoiding the double block and gets the point.
Coach Correa calls a timeout. Let's push it in.
Kaya mo na tumanda ako ng protection na. Sabi ko siya, protection na niyo yung down the line. Nakatunga nga yung dito sa down the line natin sa depensa. Sabi ko sa inyo, pagla sa gitna. Ang layo-layo mo na sa net, pinapaltokan mo sa gitna. Sa tingin mo ba, bago tumawid yung bola na yun, hindi gagalaw yung mga yan? Bago makatawid yung bola sa net, nakagalaw na yung kalaban mo. Ay, napaka-ano naman. Pag tumigit yung bola sa net, pagtokan nyo, papunta doon sa gitna. Sige.
Well, that was 3 straight points given up by Ateneo. Obviously worried si Coach Gorayev. But still 6 set points para sa Ateneo. De Jesus. Nakatuno back to Pineda.
Ganda naman ng off-speed.
Pineda seems to be infallible in the last part of set number 3.
She's just so confident right now. And knowing where to place her shots, knowing when to hit it with, you know, all her strength. So.
And finally, Jesus puts an end to that run by Adamson. But Adamson really put a little bit of a scare in Ateneo.
Yeah, kala natin di diretso yan. But Ateneo, of course, a very tough team we somehow knew that they won't let this go in 3. So, ayan, isa na sila. 2 more to go.
2 sets for Adamson, 1 set for Ateneo. We're in for a 4-setter at least. Balik tayo dito sa Studio 23 for more volleyball.